Yeah, so my country people, I agree to now. Everton 0 and Arsenal 1. And we get Oga Nelson, we be like, we'll get person. In the already they show now saying Sabi, get doings there, but they normally. Oga Nelson, 6 years, Arsenal never win for Everton home. Goodness impact. But today, Arsenal break up. How you see this performance from your team today?
Well, then try, Sha. 6 years not to win for goodness impact, not be beans. Like me, self, normally, with the performance we get this season, the way we are going, I was not really too optimistic. At least I was thinking we'll go with a draw. Okay. I not really they say my mind not even they say okay, Arsenal go win the match, but though I know so we go try. But as you see now, so the boys they did very well. If you look the whole team now, I not feel say one player play when I not like. They performed very well, and the goal came at the right time. And it's a big victory for us. And I believe as we don't start to the win there now for goodness impact, and normal thing will be for Arsenal. They don't reach playoffs because normally if we fit tumble man you, Everton. So at least that gym we don't break on today. So they're very happy.
So Oga Nelson, I want to ask you for this performance, which Arsenal player you go point in and be your man of the match?
Everybody in a man of the match though. But I go give who scored the goal because if not be him now, we'll not get that 3 points. If I just be draw, Chelsea fans, if they follow us, they shout, say they don't draw, we say we don't draw. But at least where we dey watch the match now, most of the Chelsea fans, they're not fit talk again. Because it get where God they do things. Normally, Martinelli score, sha. But they catch and say now offside. They say Martinelli and come out. Who sub and in now and score so. So it's a good one. It's a good one. So I will give it to Trossard. I'll give it to Trossard.
Okay, Nelson, make I ask you about David Raya. We see him making debut. You know, so when Arsenal sign him, some people they talk say Arsenal don't need two goalkeepers when be elite goalkeepers, when be top goalkeepers, when Sabi. But today we don't see him making debut, and Arsenal win this match with clean sheet. What do you get to talk about David Raya performance today?
No, normally David Raya before Arsenal buy a very good goalkeeper. At least all of us see the performance when he play for I think Brentford. And despite the fact saying that kind of small team is still try. Normally that aspect of say we're not supposed to get two goalkeeper. I'm not sure because fatigue always a coming. Look this season now, all the competitions Arsenal they play. Will they play for Champions League? Will they league? Will they FA Cup? We go play Carling Cup. So only one goalkeeper no go feed do am. Now see on Tuesday, now be Wednesday, we dey play PSV. Champions League, we dey play PSV. Now they expect me Ramsdale keep for this one. Can't go keep for that one. When we get good player he didn't do well. He did well today. Despite the fact that there was no much attack and test, but at least it's a good one saying first match now clean sheets. It's a record on his side too.
So you talk about Wednesday, say Arsenal go play PSV. You as Arsenal fan, how you dey feel say the club don't return back to Champions League? Because 7 years we no see Arsenal for the big boy stage when we the UEFA Champions League. You as Arsenal fan, how you dey feel about the club going back to Champions League, and what do you dey predict for that match against PSV?
First of all, it's a good thing so we did Champions League. You know easy. Now small thing I come out for carry the league last season. Champions League, we dey play PSV. PSV not be small team. I think last year now they remove us on UEFA Cup or last season or something like that. So normally we go win PSV, but not be waiting we go just take for granted. Now our home we did, they call playoffs. We get every advantage. The fans are our side, the performance day. But by the grace of God, 3 points is our victory.
Your score prediction, scoreline.
2-0. 2-0.
So make I ask you about Declan Rice now. You know, so when Arsenal sign that money when scatter everywhere, many people they talk say, Rice now they pay this kind of big money for. But you so far, we know that just 5 games into the season. What do you see about Rice performance so far?
Wonderful. We will not regret the money we will buy him. Normally, other teams they buy players when not even reach on that kind of amount. Take for example now, say like Calcido for Chelsea. It's even more expensive than Declan Rice. But he has not shown himself and people are angry. So Declan Rice don't come. If you see the midfield now, we know they get mistake.
So there's no party.
No Partey. Partey with injury say will not even reason now. Not be say Partey not good oh. But we don't get a machine where we say even when Arsenal lose ball, you see the force where they call cover, they control. Error not day today. So that Declara is buying and one of the good buy we would buy this season. So it's a very good one for Arsenal.
Before I let you go, Nelson, one word for your manager, Mikel Arteta.
For now, is the best.
The best.
The best.
But Pep, do now be the of them.
Boy, Pep. If you look Pep compared to Arsene Wenger, Pep get the men them for his team. Starting from the goalkeeper to the attacker, now world class.
But you know, say this team now, as I don't say Pepe, this team now Mikel Arteta team now we talk about now.
Yes.
From this season.
Now man we sabi build. Now man we train now. When we buy him from Everton, Arsene Wenger teacher. He play the ball, retire for Arsenal, go Man City, go work. He come meet somebody with sabi. Now he impact the knowledge. So currently, Arteta is doing well. He's doing very well. It's a good one.
All right, Nelson, thank you for